everyone, it's me, Sumi. So I just found out that I have to take a work trip to Miami, and I'm so excited because this gives me a chance to get out of the brutal winter of Toronto and enjoy some sun.
That's good.
As soon as I landed, it started pouring, but I'm not complaining because it's still warm and I don't have to wear my heavy winter jacket. I know a lot of people are complaining and I can see so many upset faces outside the window, but I love the rain. If you love the rain, let me know in the comments. So first things first, I need to get something to eat because obviously it's lunchtime here. So I got myself a vegan burger. This is a jackfruit and guava burger. It's a guava barbecue sauce. I was really curious and I have to say it tastes really good. And the bun or the bread is gluten-free and it's made out of millet. And I got a apple, ginger, beet, carrot juice to go with it. It also came with this cute little green salad on the side. So for an early dinner, the team and I went to Plant Miami. It's part of the Sacred Space. This is such a lovely place to come. I guess it's always summer in Miami, so it doesn't make sense to say summer season. But yeah, it was warm, it's bright, and I'm so excited for the food. Here I've ordered myself a homebrew kombucha with passion fruit, and it is so good. So we ordered a couple of appetizers and a couple of mains. This is a vegan sushi called a forbidden roll. I don't know what's in it, but it's delicious, it's vegan, it's organic, and it's gluten-free. And that's all I care about. We also got a seaweed salad. I'm not a fan of seaweed because it has such a strong fishy taste. But I don't know how, but these people managed to just make it taste really creamy and not very fishy. And we also got these vegan and gluten-free dumplings. So these are made out of beet and coconut wraps, and it has a coconut foam on top. And again, I have no idea what's inside, but it was delicious. Cannot believe how beautiful and stunning all this food looks. It almost makes me feel bad for eating it. And then for mains, I got this Chickpea Frittata. It tasted like my chickpea pancakes. If you're interested in that video, please click right here. Although this was a thicker and denser version. This was one of my favorite dishes. So this is a vegan and gluten-free version of bagel and lox. I cannot believe that the bread is gluten-free because of how soft and fluffy it is. And I love how they used smoked papaya as a replacement for salmon. And then we also got a traditional salad bowl. So this has quinoa, kale, a house-made kimchi, and this delicious sauce, and a lot of lentils. This was such a good meal, guys. If you're in Miami, you have to check out this place. So we were so worried after the rain on the first day, but it cleared up and it was so beautiful the next day, so warm and so sunny. I'm so grateful I got to have an amazing work session and we enjoyed all these delicious meals in the bright sunlight. And it's breakfast time. And I was craving some tofu scramble. I was so glad to find it on the menu. So here I have some tofu scramble and some home fries. These are some of the most delicious home fries I've ever had. And another tiny green salad on the side. So I always ask people in Miami how large the portions are going to be, and they always say it's huge. I'm so glad I ordered this for myself because this wasn't enough. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. I'm so sad that I have to leave this warm and beautiful city to go back home, but I still love Toronto, so I'm looking forward to that as well. And I'll see you next time.